Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer sales data to QuickBooks using A2X, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that you have an A2X account set up and ready to use. Log into your A2X account to begin the process. Next, connect your e-commerce sales channel to A2X. Navigate to the Connections tab in the A2X dashboard. Select Add a new connection and choose your sales platform from the list. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once connected, return to the A2X dashboard to see your sales data. Now, configure your accounting settings for QuickBooks. Click on the Settings tab to access the configuration options. Choose QuickBooks as your accounting software integration. Map your sales accounts in A2X to the relevant accounts in QuickBooks. Next, check the accounting settings to find the right date ranges for your data. Select the start and end dates for the transactions you wish to transfer. Now, it's time to prepare your data for export. Go to the Transactions tab to view your sales data. Review the transactions to ensure accuracy. If needed, edit any transaction details directly in A2X. Once satisfied, click on the Post button to prepare for QuickBooks. Confirm your posting settings, including the invoice settings. Now, initiate the export to QuickBooks. Click Export to QuickBooks to start the transfer process. Monitor the progress as A2X processes your transactions. Once the export is complete, log into your QuickBooks account. Go to the relevant section to check for the new invoices or journal entries. Review the imported sales data in QuickBooks for any discrepancies. If everything is correct, your transfer is successful. In case of any issues, return to A2X to troubleshoot your settings. Regularly reconcile your sales data in QuickBooks to ensure accuracy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.